Ever put on a fresh pair of shoes and felt like you could conquer the world? Well, what if I told you your car could feel the same way? Today, we're diving into something that could literally save your life and your wallet. Stick around, because what you learn in the next minutes might completely change how you think about your car's only connection to the road. 1. Safety and control. Let's get real for a second. Your tires aren't just round pieces of rubber. They're your life-saving equipment. Check this out. What you're seeing isn't just impressive. It's the difference between stopping safely and, well, let's not go there. New tires give you up to 20% better stopping distance, incredible grip in rain, the confidence to handle emergency situations. Quick question. When was the last time you really looked at your tires? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more car care tips that could save your life. 2. Ride quality. Here's something most people don't realize about new tires. Notice how much quieter that is. It's not just about noise. It's about comfort and control. Speaking of control, 3. Fuel economy and cost savings. Now, I know what you're thinking. New tires are expensive, but check this out. Let me blow your mind really quick. New tires can save you up to 4% on fuel costs. On an average car, that's like getting free gas for almost 2 weeks every year. If you're finding this information helpful, give this video a quick like. It really helps the channel, and more importantly, helps other drivers find this crucial information. 4. When to replace. Here's the part that could save you hundreds of dollars. Now, I want to help you do this right. I've personally tested dozens of tire maintenance tools, and these 3 are absolute game changers. I've put links to all these in the description below. Trust me, they're worth every penny, and that's coming from someone who's tried everything. 5. Maintenance tips. These 5 simple steps will make your new tires last way longer. Remember how we started with that new shoe feeling? Well, your car deserves that same level of care. The difference is, this isn't just about comfort. It's about safety, savings, and smart car ownership. If you found this helpful, you won't want to miss next week's video on. Hit subscribe, tap the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.